Hi guys, this is Vinod Mahale and welcome to this Hall of Fame. Today we are with this Miss Komal Sangvi. She is a ICA student. She has completed her course successfully. Now she is doing a job as an accountant and doing great there. Welcome to this session, Komal.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Before start this session, I would like to understand what is your education background and what about your work experience earlier.
Okay, sir. I am Komal Sangvi, and education background, I have completed my BCom, that is graduation, from Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce. Currently, I'm pursuing MCom from Pune University. And about my last job, I was working as a preschool teacher there for 3 years, and now I'm working as an accountant in another company, that is Envision Associates LLP.
Great, great. Okay. And Komal, I want to understand ki, you completed your graduation from Symbiosis College,
Yes.
right? So, Miss,
Yes.
why did you choose to join ICA?
Okay. So along with my BCom, when I was in second year of my BCom, I wanted to side by side learn something new. So I opted for Tally classes. I thought of going to learn Tally. But then I came to know about ICA, where they are giving a whole package of everything. Along with Tally, we're going to learn GST, Excel, everything in a one course. So then I opted for ICA so that I can have a overall development and a learning experience.
Okay,
It is a whole nice course with everything included in it. So I really liked it, so I joined ICA.
okay, okay, fine. I want to ask you, how was your experience studying at ICA?
Okay, so studying at ICA was a very good experience. I really enjoyed learning at ICA, and the teachers and the whole staff were really very helpful at every point during exams or mock tests, everything. So whatever queries we had, they were always there to resolve. So the whole learning process was very good. Also, one thing I like is the personal grooming session the most at ICA. They tell us how to groom for the interview, and not only for interview, but it helps us in our life also. So how to stay, how to behave, everything. So that was a part which I really loved, along with the theoretical part.
Oh, too nice. Uh, do you want to share any best moment in ICA?
Yes, many things. So when I was in ICA, we used to celebrate some festivals also. So we had celebrated Christmas, where we had made this Christmas tree and had some competition there. Then when we had a quiz between the teams, and the team which won was awarded. So I still have those awards. So yes, that is the best thing.
Great, 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 great. Okay. I know you are a very good student, bright student. You always participate in every events. I heard good things from my staff, my team. Great, great. So,
Thank you, sir.
next question I would like to understand: how did you get your first job, and when was it?
Okay, so as I said, I had done a course, a teaching course, and I came to know about the school. So I joined that job, and it was in 2017 when I joined, and I worked there for 3 years till 2020. So yes, this is how I only approached there, and I got this job, and it was a very good experience as well there. I
Great,
learned
great.
many things there, how to behave, how to work with our co-teachers or co-employers, team spirit, leadership qualities, everything.
Okay, great, great, great. I want to understand the the job you got in core accounting?
Okay, sir. So currently I'm working at Envision Associates LLP, and this job was offered to me by ICA, and I just grabbed that opportunity, and then I'm selected there, and I'm working as an account executive there. So in accounts receivable, I'm working currently.
What's your job role in your current company?
Yes, as an accounts executive, I'm working, and that's what in accounts receivable as an accounts executive.
Okay, okay, fine. Fine. And what is your advice to ICA student doing course at ICA?
Okay. So I would like to advise the students that by doing this course really helps you for the jobs and also in a life. So do concentrate well and learn whatever queries you have. Also the JET, which we give, the journal entry test they have, it really helps. So that when you go in a company, you come to know the basic concepts. So your basic concepts are cleared with the golden rules. So I would just like to tell them to concentrate more and take everything as a challenge and just do it. Then there's no one can stop you with it.
Great advice, great advice, Komal. This will help all students. And one more question I would like to understand: what is your favorite subject in ICA?
Favorite subject. Okay, so main first thing which I loved was the personal grooming session, and the theoretical if we go, so I liked Tally and GST, because they just cleared the basic concept of GST as it was just introduced in our country. So I got to know more about how it works, how it replaced VAT, and now we have GST, how it works and everything. So I really loved that.
One more question I want to understand. You have completed your BCom in Symbiosis colleges, right?
Yes.
So I want to understand what is the difference between a college syllabus and ICA syllabus?
Okay. So in college also we had all like accounts and everything, but that was more theoretical where we used to solve in a book or like that. But in ICA we get a practical knowledge where we actually do on the computer on a demi website. We upload the returns or like that. So we have theoretical as well as practical knowledge in ICA, whereas in college we just have theoretical knowledge more. Yes, there also they expose us to practical knowledge, but not in every field or not that much which ICA provides us.
Okay, fine. And what about the taxation syllabus? Like in ICA, we have a direct taxes. In direct taxes, we train student in income tax, TDS, and we
Yes,
have a GST separate course is there.
portal.
So
Yes.
what, Miss? I want to understand the tax part of a college syllabus and IC syllabus.
Okay, so tax part like it was in the third year when we had GST in college. So there it was fully theoretical, where the sir used to teach us on the blackboard and we just used to note down. They told us the basic concept, but it is just theoretical. In a company, we cannot do with a theoretical part. We need a practical exposure too. So ICA helped me in that, where I actually did on a computer, and then I had that confidence. Yes, I can do it in the same way in the company as well. So yes, because of the practical knowledge in GST as well, ICA has helped me a lot. I'm
Great,
really
great.
thankful for ICA for giving me this opportunity. And
Most
also I would
welcome.
like to add is this, like in the company where I'm working, they work on a new software that is Genesis. So I never thought I would learn Genesis. Like I've learned Tally, Excel, everything, GST, but this is something new.
Yes.
So I like, if ICA did not provided me this job, I think I wouldn't have learned this software as well. So I'm really thankful to ICA for this.
Yes, yes. That is. See, you are a very bright student. You are, you deserve this job. you grab the opportunity, because I know when you go for an interview, many students have applied there, but only you and few students have shortlisted there, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, yes. That is your achievement, and I would like to congratulate you for grabbing this opportunity and doing great work there. Even I got very good feedback from employer. You're doing great there.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Komal, I would like to understand, I would like to know what is your short-term goal? Miss, after the 3 years, which position would like to grab, and what salary you are expecting?
Okay, sir. So, like, as I'm a fresher in this field, before I had worked as a teacher, but in this field as an accountant, I'm a fresher.
Right,
So my short-term goal is basically to know everything. My main thing is knowledge rather than a position for now. Really want to learn everything. So, and like, as my performance is good, yes, I would expect a good position as well. But my main motto now is to gain whatever, how much ever I can learn from this company as well. So, yes,
yes, yes. Komal, I am with you always. My whole team, ICA, with you to achieve your dream, to achieve your career plans. We will definitely with you. If you find any difficulty doing job, you can connect ICA faculty for any time. You can learn what you are facing the problem there, and you can work there properly.
yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Last question: what is your career plans?
So now my career plans are like, as an accountant, I'm working there. So I would want to excel in that only. So like I'm working in account receivable right now. So I want to know in deeply how it actually works. And if I get an opportunity and if the company allows, I would like to learn what others also do there so that I get a overall knowledge. So for now, my career plans are those only, to just to learn and be in what I am right now and to walk on that path only.
What is your current job timing?
Timing, it is from 10 to 7,
10 to
10
7.
a.m. to 7 p.m.
Okay.
Yes.
See, Komal, we are going to start batches in the in morning slot, uh, between 8 to
Okay.
9:30. And if you have any difficulty in direct taxes, GST, and advance account, while doing
Okay.
your job, you can attend this batch and you can groom, you can brush up your knowledge in taxation and accounts. So that will help you to perform better in your job.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely. I will love to.
Okay, Komal, thank you so much for giving this time and sharing your journey with ICA and sharing your success story about your job. Wish you all the best. Do rock there. Any problem, give me call. Uh, touch to our faculties. Okay, Komal.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
bye bye.
Bye.